Radial arm drill machine in excellent working condition. The make of the machine is Novisa, Italy. You can see the condition of the machine. The drilling capacity of the machine is 100 mm and its spindle taper is MT6. The working arm length of the machine is 2500 mm. You can see the condition of the slides through which drill head slides from one end to another. It's completely scratchless. It's in good condition. You can also see the column of the machine. The machine is complete with its box table, its coolant pump, some tool holders, extra accessories, toolings. Show me vertical travel of the arm. It's going in upward direction. Change the direction. Now show me spindle travel in feed. Working of spindle travel in feed. Change the direction in feed. Direction has been changed. It's going in backward direction. Okay. Now show me different feed rates of travel. Show me at its minimum feed rate. Working at its minimum feed rate, that is 0.07 mm per minute. Okay, increase the feed rate. feed rate has been increased to 0.20 mm per minute. Okay, increase the feed rate. The feed rate has been increased to 0.75 mm per minute. Now show me at its maximum feed rate. Working at its maximum feed rate, that is 3.00 mm per minute. Okay. Now we'll see different spindle speeds. The low spindle speed is 20 rpm and the high is 1470 rpm. Here is the chart for the same. Now show me at its minimum spindle speed, that is 20 rotations per minute. Working of spindle at its minimum speed, that is 20 rpm. Okay, increase the spindle speed. The spindle speed has been increased to 250 rpm. Okay, increase the spindle speed. The spindle speed has been increased to 630 rpm. Now show me at 1000 rpm. Working of spindle at 1000 rpm. Now show me at its maximum spindle speed, that is 1470 rpm. Working of spindle at its maximum speed, that is 1470 rpm. As you can hear, there is no extra noise from the spindle, even at its high rpm also. Okay, stop the spindle. Now show me working of clamping. Right now the drill head and the arm is clamped. Okay, unclamp it. Okay, it is unclamped. The arm. Okay, Clamp it. The arm. Okay. Once again unclamp it. Okay, the arm. Okay, clamp it. Drill head. Okay. The overall working condition of the machine is excellent. All the functions in the machine are working perfectly all right.